A fucking animal cage, the hunger for human eating. I ain't ate.
Local Random Hero and
Zeta King, what's up?
Alright, we're gonna sit back here and start this video off for y'all. This is like our second video together. The first one was when he was
Dancing, crumping?
I don't know what the hell I don't know what you was doing.
I was crumping and I accidentally fell because there's some water behind me, but that's a different story.
It was funny.
So,
Look back through my videos. I said Danny 5th 28379.
whatever. Yo, hurt my feelings. Nah, I'm playing.
I hope you don't start crying
Who like crying, boy?
when you hit that ground.
I'm a grown man, I don't cry.
When you hit that ground, you about ready to.
Tell mom.
But anyway,
Tell mom.
tell her it ain't mine.
So,
See, I'm trying to do this intro here, and you messing that up.
I don't know if
Oh, we'll get the turkey based on you.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. Hey, this
And on here, you gotta have the psychology look like.
No, you don't. No. Nah, I'm playing.
All right, but we're gonna start doing videos together and stuff like this. So let us know. Give us a comment after this one. We'll probably sit back here and shoot one, and it's gonna be cool. So
Very.
stay tuned. All right. Peace. God bless. Bye. Oh yeah. Hit my music.
Third lane, switching lanes, what up? Brooklyn, what up? Far Rock, what up? Jay and Beyonce was kissing.